Good morning student. Today I am going to teach you about the direct and indirect speech. So students, what is mean by direct speech? Whenever we want to convey the message, whenever we want to convey the message of any speaker, we can convey it in two forms. Okay, if the message of the speaker is conveyed in his own words, actual words, without any change, it is called direct speech. And whenever we convey the message of the speaker in our own words with changes, so it is called indirect speech. You can understand it well with the help of example. Like if you want to tell somebody that what Binny said, you can do this in two ways. We can repeat Binny's words. Binny said, I am feeling unwell. We have exactly repeat what Binny said. We said Binny said, I am feeling unwell. This is called direct speech. And we can report Binny's words indirectly as well. Like Binny said that she was feeling unwell. This is called indirect or reported speech. The word that can be omitted. If we want to omit it, we can omit it. We can say it like Binny said she was feeling unwell. So, whenever the message of the speaker is conveyed in actual words, like here, Binny said, I am feeling unwell, it's called direct speech. And whenever the message of the speaker is conveyed in our words, in our words, in our language, it is called indirect or reported speech. In order to report the speaker's word indirectly, the following changes are made. Suitable changes are made in the pronouns, in the personal pronouns. Like he said to her, I am your uncle. Said to will be changed into told. He told her that. He. I is changed into he. He was her uncle. Devin said to Anu, you are my best friend. Devin told Anu that she was his best friend. You is changed into she and my is changed into he. You referred to Anu and my referred to Devin. So here you is changed into she and my is changed into his. Devin told Anu that she was his best friend. See students, present form of the verb, it means first form is changed into the past form of the verb. Like is, am is changed into was, are into were, do and does will be changed into did, has, have will be into had, will, would, can, could, go, went, like, liked, want, wanted. Okay, so first form will be changed into second form. The past form of verb, it means verb second form usually stay the same in indirect speech. Sometimes it may same or it may be changes into past perfect, had plus third form of verb. Like Binny said, I worked hard to get good marks. Binny said she worked hard to get good marks. Binny said she had worked hard to get good marks. So it may be same or it may be changed into past perfect. We use said in indirect speech. In the indirect speech, we use said or told plus object. Naman said, I am hungry. Naman said that he was hungry. Naman told that he was hungry. It will be wrong one because there is no object. We use told plus object. Otherwise, we will use said only. Naman told me that he was hungry. It is right one. Naman told to me that he was hungry. It was wrong. So always remember, we never use told without an object. When there is an object, we can use told. Otherwise, we will use said only.